Where did you learn to speak English?
I little bit.
But where? In school? At work?
You make video.
Yes, I tried this, but it is so strong. Like
No, this storm 40 degree.
40 degrees, I know. He gave me more, but I cannot. See you next time. We found a friend and oh gosh, I'm driving. I shouldn't drive and film at the same time, but we're gonna visit her house and she's gonna show me around what is like life over here. You have been working in Phuket, right? In a travel agency. Yeah. So after COVID, she had to come back at her head.
Finish COVID, I go back.
Yeah, after COVID finishes, she will go back to the travel agency, and she will. Not now, yeah. What are you growing here?
Huh?
Tomatoes, salad. What do you grow? Ah, okay.
What?
I cannot remember the name in English.
The main one?
Okay. And here more of that.
Yes, for cooking.
Yeah, everything for cooking, of course. That's the only garden that is worth growing. For cooking is always good.
Just COVID made me. Normally I'm not here. I'm just come here. Number 6 last month.
Okay. So this is the house of your family, or?
This is my house.
Okay.
You can come just water drink. This Thailand style.
Cup and cup.
Yeah. But hot, nah?
Oh, it's okay.
Oh, non-Mediterranean.
Okay, that's a Thailand house.
Yes, Thailand house.
I never been to a Thailand house before.
No air condition, nah?
No air conditioning. I have the same everywhere in my room.
Gecko.
Yeah, gecko. Yeah, everywhere in Thailand I have gecko.
Yes, everywhere around gecko.
Yeah.
What?
So this is your room.
My room.
Can I see?
Yeah.
Okay. Let's go. Let's check how they live in Thailand. Wow. Yeah, you have a tent in your own room.
Because I'm staying not.
Very interesting.
Huh?
So this is your part-time room because usually you live in Phuket.
Yes.
Okay.
I have to make for just can stay.
Yeah. Just for the moment. I understand.
Yes.
I need this in my room too.
You want?
Yeah, I need something similar in my room.
Because this for mosquito.
Yeah, I know. I have the same problem in my room.
You can buy it in when you Nong Khai, you go
Yeah.
marketing.
I saw also in Tesco. Marketing.
Marketing in
Okay.
the morning or some shop.
Okay.
Some shop have selling some
Okay.
this or this.
Yeah, the tents and everything.
You ask for.
Yeah. Well, what about these are the king of Thailand or no? Who is or it's your parents?
Parents.
No.
Now king of Thailand. This in guy son from before.
Okay, that's the son. Yeah, that's the new king.
Yeah.
And that's the
But
old
I have no photo.
the old king and the new king. Okay. That's your parent?
Alright. This number 5.
King number 5. Okay, very nice. Very interesting. Oi.
I'm not
No,
yet.
no, nobody cares if it's perfect or not. It's just everybody's interested in a real Thai kitchen. I already smashed my head against this. If I break it, should pay for everything.
Not the same country, huh?
No, it's totally different from my country.
Yeah.
Yeah, but I think it's still similar.
From the toilet cover like this, nah?
Let's see. Let's check it out. Thai. This is for the shower. You need to keep the water inside this.
Can, but you can have also when you have.
You have that one, but you don't use that one, so
Because hot now.
it's too hot.
You.
So you take the water from here Oh yeah, yeah. I saw that also in the Philippines. Yeah, you take the water and then you throw the water on your head. Yeah, exactly. Very interesting. Wow. This is what you bring when you go to work.
For drink,
Yeah.
for cold.
Mm-hmm.
Inside of this.
Yeah.
Can with ice or
Mm-hmm.
something.
Everybody loves drinks with ice, coffee with ice, everything with ice. People in Thailand, everywhere. This is ice.
Water.
Okay.
And drink.
Yeah, but I don't need the whole bottle. We can share the water.
Hmm?
We can. Ah, you have so many. Okay, okay. I have some water in the. I can drink a bit and then it will stay here.
Yes.
Yeah, yeah. Just a bit.
Cold or?
No, cold. It's okay. Just a glass.
Yeah.
Yeah. You drink?
Hmm? Yeah, don't worry. You're thinking I have some medicine.
Cup on cup.
Medicine.
Okay. So cheers. Like wine.
Yeah, why?
Water is so good. And this is everybody in Thailand makes this type of roof.
Yeah, for no hot, no.
For no hot weather, the roof.
Yeah.
Interesting. Very nice. Cup on cup. So in Phuket, you had your travel agency or you were working for someone?
No, I have.
Yours?
Yes.
Okay, okay. And this is your house or the house of your sister, cousin?
This house?
Yeah,
My house.
your house. Oh,
Oh, but I not finished money yet.
what do you mean?
I have to pay more.
You have more houses?
Yes. I have some borrow money.
You have to borrow money?
For this house not finished yet.
Yeah, that's a huge problem.
Yeah, yes, I told him you.
I mean, borrowing money, it's always a problem. So, cup on cup.
That's it.
Wow.
You eat me?
No, I'm okay, I'm okay. Thank you. She wants to offer me mango, but thank you. I love mango. That's my favorite fruit in Thailand. Yeah. You grow up here, like this is where you were born.
Yes.
Okay. And so this one was the house of your family or a house that you bought after working in Phuket?
What do you mean?
Like before in this house, your parents they were living here?
Yeah, parents.
Oh, okay, okay. So it's totally like in Italy. People live in the house of the parents.
Yeah, normally Thailand.
Yeah, then Thailand and Italy are very, very similar on some things. Yeah. Apart from the weather, we don't need this the whole time. In Italy, it's cold sometimes. It's not. Yeah, we need it.
But now I think air conditioner.
Yeah, you are thinking about air conditioning. If you cannot go back to Phuket to work, you will live here full time. And what type of work can you do here?
I have to do this. What I have to do.
You didn't look. Oh, so you don't know.
Don't know because not stay here.
Okay, okay. It's very, very complicated life after COVID. It's very complicated life after COVID.
Now,
You should make a business that doesn't exist here in this town.
how to make business?
Huh?
Want to make business, but I don't know.
I don't know, like if
Cooking,
cooking.
selling cooking.
Yeah. So, or you make a business like if everybody makes chicken, maybe make pork. I don't know. Make something different because if everybody makes pad thai, you have to cook pad karao or something.
Okay.
Yeah.
They have pad Thai and make pad Lao.
Yeah. I mean, you can cook both, but make something that nobody has in this little town.
Because for me, because I don't know, I not staying here long time.
Yeah. It's just 1 month that you're
I
back.
have to thinking what have to do, what people in village like. Because they don't like to spend money a lot.
They don't like to spend money in this town.
Yes.
What is the name of this town?
Name?
Huh?
Name?
Name, yeah.
From the village?
For the village, yes. Oh, it's written there. Oh, Ban Si Kai
Kai Nuea.
Nuea. Okay. How many people live here?
Oh, no.
You don't know. We need to check so we can make a good business. I will be part of the business. But you have the post office so over there, right? So maybe you can also sell stuff online. Yeah.
I don't have idea. I don't have IQ now.
No, the IQ will come. Just look what everybody's doing and do something different.
I
Maybe
know.
start making pizza.
Oh, pizza nobody eat.
Really? Jesus, Thailand, nobody eats pizza.
No, wait, not really.
Not in this area.
Because it's not eastern.
Okay.
Not city.
Okay.
City, okay.
In city is okay, but in the village, no. Well. I'm thinking, when you open a business, I will come back here and I will make a advertisement on YouTube.
YouTuber.
Yes. You just open a business, I will come here and I will make a video about the business. I'm serious.
I don't know, yes, what
Yeah,
I have to do now. I don't have idea.
Now you don't
you
know.
have idea for me. No?
No, now you don't know and now I
Understand.
don't know. But when you open the business, I will come here and I will advertise it, okay? Because you were so kind to me, you give me water, you let me inside the house. So if you open something in the next month or next month and a half, you put a stall here, you sell something, I will come and I will make a video.
Oh, okay.
Okay? Good deal, okay?
Yeah, good idea.
I will make a Google review, everything. What are they selling?
It's from when have raining.
Okay.
They make a underform.
Ah, they make the roof so the rain
Yeah,
can
yeah,
slide
yeah.
down. Okay. This thing. Okay. Do you think it's a good business for them?
Maybe
Maybe.
because he go everywhere.
You go everywhere.
Mm.
Well, if you make food, you need to put the food on Food Panda and food on Grab Food too.
Grab เหรอ
Food Panda.
Food Panda เหรอ You know here not the same city.
I know it's not the same, but you have to try. You have to try.
I know to try how I do. I don't have idea. I know I don't know.
No, not yet.
Yes, not yet.
Not yet. Yeah,
Maybe.
do something that you like and something unique, something very, very different.
I don't know. Really don't know.
It's okay. I mean, everybody needs to do something different now after COVID because lots of people lost the job.
Yeah.
So we need to come out. We need to come out with good ideas. Yes, be positive. Good. So now they're gonna show me around. They're gonna show me a temple and other beautiful things over here. This one is my channel, so if Facebook doesn't work, we're gonna make it there. Okay. It's always nice to go out with the locals, guys. Because the locals are the only people that can tell you the truth, that can tell you their stories and their experiences. Okay, cup. So guys, incredible, huge opportunity to go inside the house of a local and the house of a person that was completely affected by COVID, who had to relocate from Phuket to this tiny village called Ban Si Kai Nuea. Anyway, I think that's it for this video. As always, thank you so much for watching. Keep reading and believing in your dreams. Yeah, Thank you very much for everything. See you when you open the business. See you.